In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create queues and assign records to it in Salesforce. Start by signing into your Salesforce org. From anywhere in Lightning, open the gear icon and go to Setup. If you see an option to open Advanced Setup, click it to jump into the full admin area. In the left side menu, expand the Users section, then choose Queues. This is the workspace where you create and manage queues. Before we go further, a quick primer. A queue in Salesforce is a shared owner for records, like leads, cases, or certain custom objects, so a team can work from a common backlog. Members of the queue can take ownership of items as they work them, and the queue can have a notification email so the right people get alerts. On the queues page, we'll create a dedicated view to make queues easy to find and manage. Click Create New View. Give your view a clear, descriptive name that reflects what you want to see, such as a team or process focus. Salesforce will automatically populate the unique name. That's just a system ID, so you can leave it as is. Now add filters so the view shows exactly what you need. Add the label field, choose the operator that fits your use case, and type the text value you want to match. Typically part or all of the queue's name. This helps narrow the list to only the queues that matter to your team. If your setup offers a field selector for label or queue name, use it to target the proper label attribute. Then confirm the value type is text. Next, decide which columns appear in the list. Add queue email so you can quickly see where notifications go. It's handy for audits and troubleshooting. Also add queue description to the selected fields, so teammates can understand the queue's purpose at a glance. Keep your columns focused, just the details people actually use, so the view loads fast and stays readable. Choose who can see this view. If it's meant for broad use, make it visible to all users, otherwise restrict it as needed based on your internal policies. When everything looks good, click Save. Your tailored queue view is now ready. To assign records to a queue, open a record that supports queue ownership. Use the Change Owner action, switch the owner type to queue, select the right queue from the list, and save. Team members can then claim items from that queue as they work. If a queue email is set, notifications will go to that address when assignments happen, helping the team stay responsive. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.